My very first video on this channel was an introduction video, and in that video I explained that I'm going to be laying emphasis on products from brands that are not so popular. You know, the budget brand. Now the downside to this is that the YouTube algorithm doesn't always pick these videos. Now the only way for me to get these videos out is to rely on you guys to watch the videos, give them a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section. Now without kind of traffic, the YouTube algorithm is forced to push out the videos. That is where you come in. I'm counting on you. Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject today is the Jabra Elite 2 True Wireless Earbuds. Now the features of these true wireless earbuds include a Bluetooth 5.2, 6mm speakers, customizable equalizer, 2 microphones with passive noise reduction, up to 7 hours with a single charge, and 21 hours with the charging case. You get a fast charge and the Jabra Sound Plus app. Price on this one, 999 rands. It comes in dark gray and navy blue. I love the shape of the case. It's easy to put in your pocket or your bag, as the case may be, and the magnets holding down the earbuds are strong to ensure a very good charge. We know this because it passed our shake test. Though the design of the earbuds suggests that it was designed with the shape of the human inner ear in mind, I found it quite uncomfortable, at least for my ears. Maybe for someone with large ears it might work, but for me it was quite uncomfortable, and changing the ear tips did not really help. Pairing these was a breeze, but you need the Jabra Sound Plus app to do this. Now this app is very well thought out. Everything you need to know about these earbuds in the app, from controls to sound options, from equalizers to voice assistant, everything. Really comprehensive app. With a frequency of 20 to 20,000 Hz, you get crisp highs and deep lows. And for the price, I would say the sound is great. You've got a lot of options, so most likely you'd find the kind of sound you want. Just take your time and go through the app. Now, despite the options this app provides, I still find myself just wanting to pair the earbuds and just get to using it without going through the app. Lazy. After using this for some time, these are my observations and I wrote a note. Call quality is great. Loud and clear sums it up. Now for a full charge, you get 7 hours for the earbuds, and from the charge case you get 2 more charges, which is 14 hours, so all in all you get 21 hours. Connection is very steady, over 10 meters, no more. The noise isolation is great. Not the best, not the greatest, it is okay. The app is really well thought out, and when it comes to sound customization, you have really great options. Everything you need to know about these earbuds is in the app. I definitely recommend these earbuds. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to keep the likes up, leave a comment in the comment section. If you've used these earbuds before, let me know how it worked for you. If you're using it presently, let me know how it works for you. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. Click on the notification bell so that when next week's video is put out, you'll be the first to be notified. Until next time, take care.